Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by setting the base. Posture matters because neck muscle alignment reveals the thyroid cartilage. Once done, warm the area with slow neck rolls and soft humming to increase blood flow. Make sure to hydrate and practice diaphragmatic breathing. This stabilizes the larynx. Begin with chin tucks and gentle swallows. Do 10 slow reps, because these target deep strap muscles around the Adam's apple. Keep movements controlled. You want activation, not strain, so stop if you feel sharp pain. You progress to resisted and sustained work to thicken the strap muscles and improve laryngeal control. Once comfortable, add chin tuck holds with 3 sets of 10-15 seconds to engage longus colli and sternoid. Make sure to include resisted swallows. Press gently under your chin as you swallow to overload those fibers. Also practice vocal glides from low to mid-pitch. This recruits intrinsic laryngeal muscles. Do these routines every other day and track subtle changes in tone and neck. You finalize with a cool down to prevent tightness. Slow neck stretches and rotations for 1 to 2 minutes restore balance. Once done, monitor progress with photos and simple vocal range notes so you can compare weekly. Make small incremental increases in resistance only when technique is stable. If you experience persistent pain, reduce intensity and rest 3 to 5 days. See a healthcare professional if pain or voice changes persist. Remember, consistency, not force, creates safer, sustainable change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.